Hey fuckheads, it's cold enough to freeze the balls off a brass monkey, so we're back in the basement on the lathe for another one of these wonderful fucking videos. The piece of wood in question is just some shitty pine that I pulled in from the outside, and I really had no plan going into this. It was just like, get it kinda dick-shaped, and then figure it out from there. This isn't going to be any sort of penis. The last time I said that this was like a butt plug, someone fucking reported the video and got it taken down for a couple of hours, so no, we aren't making penises. This video is going way faster than I thought, and I spent too much time talking about dicks again. So, I mean, it looks good right now, but it's actually a fucking disaster. What do you see when this thing comes off the lathe? Fucking gouges and shit all over it. Still don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Look at that garbage. Jesus. Anyway, that's the whole fucking thing. What a terrible video.